Hi, this is Dan Grimes, and you've reached my YouTube channel, The Mortgage Angler. Today we're going to talk about a 203K Limited Rehabilitation Program. The purpose of this program is to enable borrowers to finance the cost of rehabbing their home through a single loan for either a purchase or a refinance. These home improvements that can be put into the loan are kitchen rehabs, bathroom rehabs. You can purchase appliances. You can incorporate the heating systems, update your roof, replace flooring, replace a septic system, painting the interior of the house or the exterior of the house. You can also use this for lead-based stabilization in older homes. You can put in a deck, patios. You can even change out the windows and the doors. The only thing this program will not allow is structural changes like moving a wall. Eligible properties for this type of program are single families, 2 to 4 unit families, and condos. The loan parameters of this program is that the home that you're purchasing and doing the rehabilitation work on must be owner occupied. There's a minimum down payment of 3.5%. The amount of the work that can be done, you can go up to $75,000 of the rehabilitation costs, and you have 9 months once you purchase the property to complete the work that needs to be done. Quick story, had a client last month shopping around looking for a single family home. He ran into this great property in a great neighborhood, but the kitchen was not functionable, so it didn't qualify for financing. I suggested the 203K rehab program to him, got him qualified, and he was able to buy the property, install the new kitchen, and it worked out great for him. This is a fabulous program. Please reach out to me with any questions. I'm looking forward to helping you out. And as always, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.